Hello everybody, good morning. Hello students, welcome back to my class. This is Pradeep sir with another session of practical geometry constructions of special types of quadrilateral. In the previous session, we have learned how to construct parallelogram under different condition. Here is one more topic where we have to construct a parallelogram when one diagonal and two sides are given. Okay, to construct a parallelogram in which one side and two diagonals are given. So here is the question: construct a parallelogram one of whose sides is 4 centimeter, 4.4 centimeter, and whose diagonals are 5.6 and 7 centimeter. Okay, so we know there are different properties of parallelogram, that is opposite sides are equal, opposite angles are equal, opposite sides are parallel, as well as the diagonal properties are also there. The diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other at a point. So here I am going to use that property that two diagonals are bisected by each other. This property will be used during the construction of this parallelogram. So first of all, a rough diagram is needed. I am drawing the diagonal horizontal. Okay. Let ABCD be the parallelogram in which diagonal AC is suppose 7 centimeter and diagonal BD is 5.6 centimeter, and let one of the side, that is AB, is 4.4 centimeter. Okay, and this is the point of intersection of both the diagonals. Let me mark it as O. That is, O is the midpoint of AC as well as BD. So first of all, the sides, the diagonals for 7 centimeter. So this is 7 centimeter. The other diagonal 5.6 centimeter. centimeter, and one of the side 4.4 centimeter. So these are the three lengths we have to use during the construction. Now first of all, I have to draw this diagonal AC. So I want to make the diagonal horizontal. So it will help us during the construction. This is A, C is not known. You know the process how to find C. Since AC is 7 centimeter, so I have to take an arc of radius 7 centimeter and place the compass here at A and then mark the point C. This is C. Okay. Now, as I have told you that diagonals of parallelogram bisect each other, that is they meet at a point which is the midpoint of both the diagonals. So first of all, I have to find the midpoint of AC by using the perpendicular bisector. So you all know how to draw perpendicular bisector. From A, I have to take one arc on both sides of AC, and from C, with the same radius, I have to cut the previous arc. So these 2 points will be joined. Therefore, this is the point O, the midpoint of AC. Okay. Now I have to draw the side 4.4 centimeter as well as the other diagonal 5.6 centimeter. So you can see that B is connected with O and B is also connected with A. Now what is the length of BO? BO will be half of 5.6, that is 2.8 centimeter. So first I have to draw a line whose length will be 2.8 centimeter. So this is 2.8 centimeter. So first let me draw OB. This is length 2.8 centimeter. Placing the compass at O, an arc is drawn whose radius is 2.8 centimeter. Okay, and then I have to draw another arc whose length is 4.4. So this is 4.4 centimeter and this arc is 2.8 centimeter. Okay. So I have to join this. Actually, this point of intersection is B. OB is 2.8 and AB is 4.4. So now I have to draw a line from B through O, through the midpoint O. This is actually the diagonal BD. Now I have to find D also. Since OB is 2.8, then OD is also 2.8. This is D. Okay. So from O, I have taken an arc whose length is 2.8 centimeter. I have taken the measurement 2.8 centimeter. An arc is drawn here. And from A, I have taken the length 4.4 centimeter. And another arc is drawn to intersect the previous arc at B. This is B. So OB is 2.8 centimeter and AB is 4.4 centimeter. Now since OB is 2.8 centimeter, therefore OD is also 2.8. So 2.8 centimeter length is taken from here with the help of compass and arc is drawn to cut this diagonal at D. This is the vertex D. Now I have to join all the four sides. So this is AB, this is CD, this is AD, This is BC. Therefore, the parallelogram ABCD is constructed, where AB is 4.4 centimeter, BC is not given, diagonal AC is 7 centimeter, and diagonal BD is 5.6 centimeter. Okay, so hope you have got it how to construct. Okay, now let us go to construct one more quadrilateral. So here is one more topic to draw or construct a parallelogram. To construct a parallelogram, when two diagonals and one angle between the diagonals are given. Okay, means two diagonals are given and the diagonals are having a particular angle between them, that is also given. So here is the question: construct a parallelogram ABCD in which diagonal AC equals to 3.8 centimeter, diagonal BD equals to 4.6 centimeter, and angle between the diagonal AC and BD is 60 degree. Okay. So first of all, I have to draw one rough parallelogram. So here is the parallelogram ABCD, in which the angle between the two diagonals is 60 degree and diagonal AC is given 3.8 centimeter and diagonal BD is given 4.6 centimeter. So this is the midpoint. You know, the point of intersection of the two diagonals is actually the midpoint of both the diagonals, as the diagonals bisect each other. Now first of all, let me start with the diagonal, any one of the diagonal, either BD or AC, and draw 60 degree between them. So first of all, let me draw the lens also. This BD is 4.6. This is 4.6 and AC is 3.8. So AC is 3.8 centimeter. So first of all, I am drawing the diagonal BD. Since BD is longer, that's why I am drawing diagonal BD. You can also draw diagonal AC. Now first of all, I have to mark the point D. D is not known, but BD is 4.6. So let me take this measure of 4.6. This is 4.6. Place the compass here at B and cut the line here at D. Means diagonal BD is drawn. Now we all know that O is the midpoint of BD as well as AC. So first of all, I have to find the midpoint by using the perpendicular bisector. So from B, one arc above BD and another arc below BD, and with the same radius from D I have to cut these two arcs. So this perpendicular bisector will intersect BD at the midpoint of BD. So this point of intersection is actually the midpoint of BD. Okay. Now from O I have to draw 160 because the other diagonal, that is AC, makes 60 angle with the diagonal BD. So first of all 60, placing the compass at O, let me draw an arc of any radius, and then with the same radius I have to cut this arc. So this is 60 as you all know. So the point O and this point of intersection will be joined together. So this is 60 and the diagonal AC will lie on this line. Now what is the length of AC? AC is 3.8 centimeter, where OA is half of 3.8. So first of all OA equals to CO, AO equals to CO, both are equals to half into 3.8, that is 1.9 centimeter. So I have to draw 1.9 centimeter first. So this is 1.9 centimeter. Now let me take this measure. This 1.9 centimeter is actually OA or OC, whatever you want to say. So first I have to take this measure 1.9 centimeter. This is 1.9, and let me cut the line on both sides. Okay. So this is A and this is C, and OA and OC both are equals to 1.9 centimeter. Therefore AC will become 3.8 centimeter. Understood? So now I have to join all the vertices. That is, I have to make the line side AB, then the side CD, similarly the side BC and the side AD. Okay, therefore the parallelogram ABCD is completed. Hope you have enjoyed and hope you have understood the whole procedure. So whenever any question is given regarding the construction, it is my advice to make a rough diagram that will help you lot while making the final construction, and also write down draw the length of each side given in the question, and from there using the compass take the measure and make the construction. Okay, so that's all for today. We have done different kinds of construction in the previous session also and today also. So in the next class we'll continue this topic. We'll draw some more special quadrilaterals. Till then you have to practice all these sums which are already done. So let us meet in the next class. Okay, so bye, have a nice day.